In the previous episode, we spoke about why many people feel worried about AI. In this episode, let us take the next step. Let us understand what artificial intelligence actually is. Not in technical language, not in complicated computer science language, but in simple everyday words, because many people hear the word AI and immediately imagine robots, science fiction movies, machines taking over the world, or computers becoming smarter than humans. But real AI is much simpler to understand when we explain it properly. Artificial intelligence is basically technology that allows computers to do tasks that normally require human intelligence. That means tasks like reading, writing, listening, speaking, recognizing patterns, answering questions, giving suggestions, translating languages, finding information, creating images, and helping with decisions. AI is not one single thing. It is not just one app. It is not just one robot. AI is a broad technology that can appear inside many tools you already use. You may already be using AI without even realizing it. That is what we will explore in this episode. Many people think AI is something new that suddenly appeared. But AI has been around us for many years in simple ways. When your phone suggests the next word while you are typing, that is a form of AI. When your email moves spam messages away from your inbox, that is AI helping in the background. When YouTube recommends a video, that recommendation is powered by AI. When Netflix suggests a movie, that is AI. When Google Maps suggests the fastest route, that is AI. When your phone recognizes your face to unlock the screen, that is AI. When online shopping websites recommend products, that is AI. When a bank system detects suspicious transactions, that may use AI. So AI is not only about robots. AI is not only about advanced technology companies. AI is already part of normal life. The difference today is that AI has become much more visible. Earlier, AI was working quietly in the background. Now, with tools like ChatGPT and other AI assistants, people can directly talk to AI, ask questions, and get answers. That is why AI feels new, even though some forms of AI have existed for a long time. Let us understand AI with a very simple example. Imagine a child learning to identify animals. You show the child many pictures. You say, "This is a cat." Then you show another picture and say, "This is also a cat." Then another one. Then another one. After seeing many examples, the child starts noticing patterns. Small face, pointed ears, whiskers, tail, certain body shape. Later, when the child sees a new picture, the child may say, "That is a cat." The child learned from examples. AI works in a similar way, but with computers and data. AI systems are trained using large amounts of examples. They look for patterns. Then they use those patterns to make predictions, suggestions, or responses. For example, if an AI system has seen many examples of emails, it can help write an email. If it has seen many examples of language translation, it can help translate. If it has seen many examples of images, it can help create or recognize images. If it has seen many examples of questions and answers, it can help respond to questions. So, at a very simple level, AI learns from examples and uses patterns to help with new tasks. That is one of the easiest ways to understand it. Now, this is important. AI may learn from examples, but it does not learn exactly like a human being. A human child does not only learn from data. A child also learns from feelings, family, culture, experience, mistakes, emotions, values, and real life. AI does not have that human life experience. AI does not feel happiness, sadness, love, responsibility, fear, or wisdom the way people do. AI can recognize patterns in information, but it does not live a human life. This is why AI can be useful, but still limited. It may answer a question very quickly. It may write a beautiful paragraph. It may explain a topic clearly, but it does not truly understand your life, your responsibilities, your family situation, your workplace culture, or your personal goals in the same way a human does. So, when we say AI is intelligent, we must be careful. It is not human intelligence. It is machine intelligence. It is good at patterns, prediction, language, speed, and large amounts of information. But it still needs human judgment. Now let us understand a few common types of AI in simple language. The first type is recommendation AI. This is the AI that suggests what you may want to watch, buy, read, or listen to. You see this on YouTube, Netflix, social media, online shopping websites, and music apps. It looks at patterns and tries to predict what may interest you. The second type is recognition AI. This AI recognizes things. It may recognize your face, your voice, a number plate, a product, a document, or an object in a photo. You may see this in phones, cameras, security systems, banking apps, and photo apps. The third type is conversation AI. This is the type of AI you can talk to or chat with. It can answer questions, explain topics, draft messages, summarize content, and help you think through ideas. ChatGPT is one example of this type of AI. The fourth type is creative AI. This AI can help create images, music, videos, designs, stories, advertisements, and other content. The fifth type is decision support AI. This AI helps people or organizations analyze information and support decisions. For example, it may help doctors review medical images, help banks detect fraud, help companies understand customer behavior, or help businesses analyze large amounts of data. These types are not always separate. Many tools combine different types of AI together. But for beginners, this simple grouping helps you understand where AI appears in real life. One type of AI has become very popular recently. It is called generative AI. The word generate means to create. So generative AI means AI that can create something new. It can create text. It can create images. It can create audio. It can create video. It can create code. It can create summaries. It can create ideas. For example, you can ask generative AI, write a polite email. Explain this topic simply. Create a study plan. Give me ideas for a birthday speech. Summarize this article. Create an image of a modern classroom. Help me prepare for a job interview. This is why generative AI became so popular. People can see the result immediately. They ask something, and the AI creates an answer. This feels powerful because it reduces the time needed to start many tasks. But again, it is important to understand that generated content is not always correct. AI may create a sentence that sounds good but contains wrong information. It may create an image that looks realistic but is completely fake. It may write an answer that is confident but incomplete. So generative AI is very useful, but it should not be treated as final truth. It is best used as a starting point, a helper, and a thinking partner. If you want one simple sentence, remember this. AI is a very fast pattern finder. It looks at information. It finds patterns. It uses those patterns to make predictions, suggestions, or new content. Let us take a simple example. If you type a message on your phone and it suggests the next word, it is predicting what word may come next based on patterns. If a video platform recommends another video, it is predicting what you may want to watch based on patterns. If a shopping website recommends a product, it is predicting what you may like based on patterns. If an AI assistant writes a paragraph, it is using language patterns to generate a response. This does not mean AI is useless. Pattern finding is extremely powerful. Many parts of human work also involve patterns. Doctors look for patterns in symptoms. Teachers look for patterns in student learning. Managers look for patterns in business performance. Security teams look for patterns in cyber attacks. Parents look for patterns in children's behavior. AI can help because it can find patterns quickly across large amounts of information. But AI still needs human meaning, ethics, responsibility, and judgment. AI can be very good at some types of tasks. It can be good at summarizing long information. It can be good at explaining topics in different ways. It can be good at creating first drafts. It can be good at translating languages. It can be good at finding patterns in data. It can be good at organizing messy information. It can be good at giving ideas when you feel stuck. It can be good at helping people practice interviews, speeches, writing, and learning. This is why AI can be useful for students, parents, teachers, professionals, and businesses. For a student, AI can explain a difficult topic. For a parent, AI can help understand technology terms. For a teacher, AI can help create examples or lesson ideas. For a professional, AI can help draft an email or summarize notes. For a business owner, AI can help brainstorm marketing ideas or organize customer feedback. The value of AI is not that it replaces all thinking. The value is that it can reduce the time needed to start, organize, and improve work. AI also has limitations. AI is not always good at truth. It can make mistakes. AI is not always good at understanding context. It may not fully understand your exact situation. AI is not always good at ethics. It does not automatically know what is right or wrong for your family, your workplace, or your society. AI is not always good at responsibility. If AI gives a wrong answer and you use it, you may still be responsible. AI is not always good at emotional understanding. It may use caring words, but it does not truly care like a human being. AI is not always good at common sense. Sometimes it may give answers that look polished, but are not practical. This is why people must learn how to use AI wisely. The goal is not to trust AI blindly. The goal is to understand where it helps and where humans must stay in control. To understand AI better, let us compare it with tools people already know. A calculator helps you calculate. You enter numbers and it gives an answer. A search engine helps you find information. You type keywords and it gives you links. AI assistants are different. You can ask them questions in normal language. You can ask them to explain. You can ask them to create. You can ask them to compare. You can ask them to rewrite. You can ask them to summarize. You can ask them to help you think. So AI is not just a calculator. AI is not just a search engine. AI is more like a language-based assistant that can help you work with information. But this also creates risk, because when an AI assistant gives a smooth answer, people may believe it too quickly. With a search engine, you usually see multiple sources and choose where to click. With AI, the answer may come in one confident response. That is why checking important information becomes very important. Now, you may ask, why does an ordinary person need to understand this? Because AI is becoming part of everyday decisions. It may influence what you read. It may influence what you watch. It may influence how you study. It may influence how you apply for jobs. It may influence how companies serve customers. It may influence how businesses make decisions. It may influence what information you believe online. So AI is not only a technology topic, it is a life topic, it is an education topic, it is a work topic, it is a family topic, it is a society topic. You do not need to become an expert in computer science, but you do need basic AI literacy. AI literacy means knowing enough about AI to use it safely, wisely, and confidently. That is the purpose of this series. After this episode, try a simple exercise. Open an AI tool you trust. Ask it one simple question. Explain artificial intelligence like I am 10 years old. Then ask, give me 3 examples from daily life. Then ask, what are 3 things AI cannot do well? Then compare the answer with what you learned in this episode. This small exercise will help you see AI in action. You will notice that AI can explain quickly. You may also notice that you still need to think about whether the answer is clear, useful, and correct. That is the right way to start. Not with fear, not with blind trust, but with simple practice. So, what is artificial intelligence? In simple words, AI is technology that helps computers perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. It can read, write, listen, speak, recognize patterns, translate, recommend, create, and support decisions. AI is already around us in phones, email, maps, shopping, banking, entertainment, education, and workplace tools. It learns from examples, it finds patterns, it makes predictions or creates responses. But AI is not human. It does not have human life experience, values, emotions, responsibility, or wisdom. That is why the best approach is to use AI as a helpful tool while keeping human judgment in control. In the next episode, we will go one step further and explore what AI can do and what AI cannot do. That will help you build realistic expectations and avoid both fear and overconfidence. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.